Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 19. I'm gonna explain about class 2 verbs, me. Chapter 19 or bab 19. Verbs, class 2 verbs, me. Class 2 verbs can also be formed from certain nouns by adding the prefix me. From nouns become verbs. Examples: api, fire. Mengapi, to ignite. Jala, fishnet. Menjala, to cast net. Kipas, a fan. Mengipas, to fan. Parang, a machete. Memarang, to chop or to slash. Pedang, a sword. Memedang, to slash or to cut. Atap, a roof. Mengatap, to put up roof. Rotan, a cane. Merotan, to cane. Ketam, a plane. Mengetam, to plane. Angin, wind. Mengangin, to expose to wind. Paku, a nail. Memaku, to nail. Gergaji, a saw. Menggergaji, to saw. Jerat, a snare. Menjerat, to snare. Bajak, plow. Membajak, to plow. All words is Tenggala. Berus, a brush. Memberus, to brush. Dayung, an oar. Mendayung, to row. Galah, a pole. Menggalah, to pole. Senduk, a ladle. Menyenduk, to ladle. Kapak, an axe. Mengapak, to hack. Rokok, a cigarette. Merokok, to smoke a cigarette. You will observe that most of the nouns in the above examples are tools or implements of some sort. Examples in sentence: nelayan itu menjala ikan pada waktu malam. The fisherman catch fish with a casting net at night. Perempuan itu mengipas mukanya tidak berhenti-henti. That lady fanning her face unceasingly or non-stop. Hulu balang itu or pahlawan, warrior. Pahlawan itu memedang musuhnya dari atas kudanya. The warrior slashed his enemy from his horseback. Dia menggergaji kepingan-kepingan papan untuk membuat kerja. He saw pieces of planks to make tables. Kilang tersebut mengetin kira-kira 50,000 tin nanas tiap-tiap hari. The said factory cans about 50,000 tins of pineapples daily or every day. Kasing menjerat burung dekat ladang itu. Kasing snare birds near the farm. Bapa Siti merokok selepas makan. Siti's father smokes a cigarette after a meal. Words to remember: nouns, atap, roof. Baja, fertilizer. Gigi, tooth. Hulu balang, warrior or pahlawan. Kapak, axe. Kilang, factory. Ladang, farm. Minggu, week. Muka, face. Musuh, enemy. Papan, plank. Pemuda, youth or young man. Penjual daging, butcher. Penjual means seller, daging, meat. Perahu, boat. Tukang kebun, gardener. Tulang, bone. Membuat, to make. Tajam, sharp. Sambil, while. Exercise. Puan Aminah merotan anaknya kerana bermain dalam hujan. Madam Aminah caned her child because he plays in the rain. Tukang rumah itu sedang memaku dinding rumahnya. That carpenter is nailing his house wall. Kita mesti memberus gigi 2 kali sehari. We must brush our teeth 2 times a day or twice a day. Penjual sate sedang mengipas api satenya. The sate seller is fanning his sate fire. Kim Lan menyenduk nasi dari dalam periuk. Kim Lan scooped rice from the pot, from inside the pot. Bapa dia, his father, merokok, smokes a cigarette, 10 batang sehari, 10 daily. 10 cigarette daily. Peladang itu belum menenggala or membajak sawahnya. That farmer not yet plough his field. 1. Baharudin is caning his naughty son. Baharudin sedang merotan anaknya yang nakal. Sedang indicates the present tense. Sedang merotan is caning. Number 2. He rows the boat with one hand. Dia mendayung perahu dengan sebelah tangan. Sebelah, a side. 3. The woman, teacher, is fanning her face with a book. Guru perempuan itu mengipas mukanya dengan buku. 4. The gardener cuts the flowers with a small knife. Tukang kebun memotong bunga dengan pisau kecil. 5. At the Johor Causeway, the customs are checking the goods brought in from Singapore. Di tambak Johor, pihak custom, the custom party, sedang memeriksa barang-barang yang dibawa dari Singapura or dibawa masuk, brought in from Singapore. 6. The old man smokes a cigarette while talking. Orang tua itu merokok or menghisap rokok sambil bercakap. 7. The butcher hacks the bones with a sharp axe. Penjual daging itu mengapak tulang dengan kapak tajam. 8. That factory manufactures and cans fertilizers. Kilang itu membuat dan mengetin baja. 9. The carpenters plane the planks to make chairs. Tukang-tukang kayu mengetam papan untuk membuat kerusi. 10. The Municipal Council of Taiping is cutting down the trees to widen the road. Majlis Perbandaran Taiping is in Perak. Taiping is the capital of Perak. Is cutting down, menebang pokok-pokok untuk memperluas jalan raya. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.